So yes guys, मैं 6 बजे उठ गया था आज and I was doing my work. Today we got no positions. I will just show you that what the current market looks like, and also I just read my book. As you can see, I read these pages today. Um, this is the page that I read today. These are the some pages. So yes, I read these pages from 95 to 97 in the morning, and what I learned that I'm gonna tell you later. So without wasting any time, I did my video. Please watch the new video. That is the day 14 is out. Please watch the new video. Please watch the new video, and it is gonna be very helpful for you. And yeah, this is it. So without wasting any time, now it's 8:16 or so. I couldn't record because मेरा फ़ोन चार्ज नहीं था. कल मैं जल्दी सोया क्योंकि वहाँ से आके बहुत थकान हो जाती है एंड रात तक नहीं बैठा जाता. This is it, and without wasting any time now, I will just take bath and get ready for college. And yeah, this is pretty much it. उसके बाद फिर 6 बजे आऊँगा, उसके बाद फिर कुछ देखने. So this is it. Without wasting any time, I'll just show you what the markets look like, and I'll just get ready. So yes guys, this is about the market today. Today market just moved from, जब मैं गया था तो market लगभग जब मैं सुबह उठा तो market यहीं था इस जगह and it fall down. As you can see हमारे पास कोई investing opportunity नहीं थी. I was thinking to go bullish on this position, but as you can clearly see I am right. मुझे bullish position यहाँ नहीं लेनी थी. Because as you can clearly see यहाँ पे liquidity था, मगर यहाँ imbalance भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, कोई stabilized liquidity available नहीं है. And the next level from which I expect to take entry is this level that I just marked. It is a 3288 level. As you can clearly see that it contains a good amount of liquidity. The price bounced it off last time, and also price is going down to the good side. So agar price नीचे आता है then I'm gonna take a bullish position at this level. Also this level becomes an important level क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी liquidity and most important level यही है क्योंकि यहीं से most recent move start हुआ था. But I believe also this is an important level, and price could really bounce off that level, and we'll see what happens. As you can see, price just bounced. As you can see, the price is going down in huge momentums. As you can see, what a good push price had from this upside. So this is going to be my entry for today. And of course, if price I believe that price is gonna head to the upside because ये हमारे कल के टोक्यो सेशन का अच्छा सपोर्ट है. And if even price does not respect this level, then I will I'm willing to take entry on these levels because this also is a good important support level. However, I believe जो मेरा expectation है कि price इस level पर आएगा, that is the 328 level, and we'll see a bullish signal. यहाँ से हम invest करेंगे and price will move to the upside because हम पे कोई भी अभी important trade नहीं आई है in terms of George job opening 7:30 बजे आएगी, which I'm gonna update you. Currently 7:19, so this is gonna be a major factor in the field. If this comes out down, अगर ये नीचे आती है, अगर economy improve नहीं होती है, then this level is going to be a very good bullish signal, which is supported by both fundamentally and technically. So this is this, and I'll update you guys when price is at this level and at 7:30. यंग पीपल दैट पीपल लाइक अस जिनका माइंड हमारी तरह होता है, जो इस चीज़ से बाहर सोचते हैं. सो आई प्लीज़ आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज़ स्टार्ट समथिंग अर्ली एंड do not come to college at all if you know that you can do it out of college, because Indian education system is not what you think. I know आप सबको लगता होगा कि कॉलेज में जाके कुछ नहीं होगा. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. I am struggling a lot currently because I have to study all the college subjects also, and I have to focus on this also. And now it's 8:30 and now I'm just heading to college, and after that I'll come home at 6. So yes, just like that, the 10 most important hours of my day are gone. After 6 o'clock I'm extremely exhausted. Still I work constantly, कभी लगातार काम करता हूँ. But yes, this is this. I want to say that if you are extremely confident like I am, please do not come to college. And my financial condition is not that much currently that I mean that I do not want to just leave college and focus on this thing currently, क्योंकि मेरे घर की भी हालत इस समय थोड़ी ठीक नहीं है क्योंकि थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम चल रही है. About that. I do not want to talk that over and over, but I just want to clear a funded account, make a payout, and just move out of here.
at all. I will pursue any degree that is an open degree, and I will constantly focus on YouTube and this trading thing, nothing else. I have multiple backlogs in journalizing also, because it takes a lot of time and I am extremely exhausted when I come out from college and we have to go daily. मेरे कॉलेज में Saturday Sunday भी off नहीं है. That is the worst part, but still as it is. And without wasting any time now, let's move to college and I'll see you at that shitty place, and it's like that we'll come home and work hard. So yes, now it's recess, and let me tell you the reality of these colleges. My mother is currently in the operation theatre. She is having an operation, और मैं उनके पास तक नहीं जा सकता. I cannot be her side because कि कॉलेज में मेरी अटेंडेंस कम हो जाएगी. They do not even care about you, brother. They do not trust me. What इससे ज़्यादा मेरे जीवन में क्या toughest moment होगा? Think yourself. My mother is having a 9th operation in the hospital currently, and I'm just sitting here, I'm just thinking about her. It pains me a lot, but I have to hold on, and this is it, bro. That's why I do not believe in that system. This all is shit. Find something that you love to do and give it all. I just want to do trading, and that's it, because I know that my mind is being trained for that only. मुझे सिर्फ वही करना है, but मैं अभी नहीं छोड़ सकता कॉलेज, क्योंकि मेरे घर पे इतनी कंडीशन ऐसी है. मैं उन लोगों को और प्रेशर नहीं दे सकता इसमें, तो मुझे सब कुछ झेलना है. ऐसा बड़ा बेटा हूँ तो झेलना पड़ेगा. बट थिंक योरसेल्फ, मेरे मन में क्या बीती हुई कि मेरी मम्मी का इस समय ऑपरेशन हो रहा है बहुत बड़ा. मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ इस जगह. So this is the reality of these colleges. They do not care about you at all, bro. They do not care about you at all. o'clock. So guys, now it's 6:46. अब 6:46 हो रहे हैं, and I just as you can see, I'm coming back from college. This is the reality. अगर आप कॉलेज आ गए तो मेरे हिसाब से आपके पास कुछ और करने का टाइम नहीं बचेगा. मैं लिटरली 8:30 बजे निकला था अपने कॉलेज के लिए, और अब 6:46 हो रहे हैं. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 7 ब्लॉक बचूँगा. 11 घंटे मेरे दिन के जो मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव आवर्स है वो यहाँ चले गए. बट स्टिल मुझे काम करना ही है अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम आई जस्ट गो चेंज माई क्लोथ्स. आज सुबह से कुछ खाया भी नहीं है, सो होपफुली अगर डिनर स्टार्ट हो गया होगा तो आई हैव डिनर, and after that we have a lot of work to do today. I have to journalize, I have to see what happened in the chart today. मैं फ़ोन पे देखता रहता हूँ वहाँ बैठे हुआ भी, but still I have to do a much more deeper analysis and see हमें कुछ entries मिलती हैं आज या नहीं. So this is it. I have to journalize a lot, I have to learn a lot. कुछ चीज़ें भी मुझे नई सीखनी है order flow की. And yes, this is it. So I'll update you guys when I am home and I have changed my clothes. I just came home and I am ready now, so without wasting any time, let me show you that what the current market looks like, and after that we'll start our generalizing. So without wasting any time, let's go. People, just George opening came out. George opening just अभी आया हुआ 7.14 मिलियन आई, जो कि बहुत ही शॉर्ट है, जो कि एक्सपेक्टेड था उससे कम से कम 3.5 आई थिंक 3 लाख के आसपास शॉर्ट है, जो कि बहुत अच्छा बुलिश सिग्नल है गोल्ड के लिए. सो यस, मेरे ऑर्डर्स ओपन है एज द लेवल आई टोल्ड यू, दैट इज़ 3289.055 लेवल, एंड आई बिलीव दैट प्राइस विल go down and go straight to the upside, because we also have the economic confirmation now, so the nearby liquidity is available at that point only, and I believe from there price will skyrocket to the upside, and that is what I expect. And my orders are opened and I'll update you guys on the position. Currently I'll just watch the charts and eat my dinner, and then we'll start our other works. it's 10:51 now, and I have completed editing my video. I am doing my journalizing. अब थोड़ा सा लिखना है. After that, we'll read book. I'll do the analysis that my orders are placed. As you all know, मैंने orders पहले ही place कर दिए. मैं दिखाऊंगा अभी आपको. And after that we'll read, we'll talk, and I'm gonna sleep because कल सुबह जल्दी भी उठना है. And this is it for the day. And अभी तो फ़िलहाल बहुत लिखना है, तो लिखूँगा, उसके बाद रीड करूँगा, फिर और भी काम है. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now guys, I have been working from 7 and now it's 12 and I'm still doing my work because there is a lot of work to do. After I complete this, I know मुझे आपको नहीं दिखाना बार बार लिखते हुए, but you know, after I complete this, I'm gonna read my book. We're gonna make the predictions and what I expect, what are the expected moves and what were the moves जो आज प्राइज ने करे. And after that we'll read book, we'll talk, and I'm gonna sleep. That is all for the day, and just without wasting any time, I'll just continue my work and I'll see you in a bit. So now it's 12:30. Everyone else is asleep, but I have to work because मेरे पास उन लोगों से कम टाइम है, मुझे कॉलेज भी जाना होता है. So you know, been doing my work. So yes, one of my journalizing for the day is now complete क्योंकि अभी और टाइम नहीं बचा लिखने का. So journalizing for the day is complete, and now what I will show you guys is I'll show you that what I predict on the market. And yes, now I think it's been 5 or 6 hours in continuously working off. So yes, I'll show you what market looks like, and after that I think that I'll write a little more. I'll read 5 pages before sleeping. Then we'll talk, and I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna repeat the drill tomorrow also. And yes, this is it. So I'll just see you guys in a bit. Yes, this is it. मेरी आँख भी लाल हो गई है. I am done with my journalizing and going to sleep. That's why I'm not speaking up loud. अब रात का 1:10 हो चुके हैं पूरे. So yes, now I will do my last thing, that is I'll just read my book, and after reading my book we'll talk a little. I'll tell you about the lessons, the psychology about reading behind the book and what I learned in the book today, and I'll give you a whole summary of the day and we'll end our day. Just without any further delay, let's start reading our book. So yes, my reading is also done. We have read 5 pages, as you can see. And what I wanted to, जो मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ बस वो एक चीज़ है कि no matter, it doesn't matter that where you are in life, अभी आप इस समय कहाँ हैं कुछ मैटर नहीं करता. प्लीज़ स्टार्ट वर्किंग, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग बिग. आई नो बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि टाइम निकल गया है, बट द बेस्ट टाइम इज़ नाउ. प्लीज़ वर्क हार्ड. अगर आप अभी वर्क नहीं करेंगे तो आगे चल के रिग्रेट करेंगे. बेटर देन रिग्रेट कि आप अभी वर्क कर लें, अभी मेहनत कर लें. टाइम इज़ ऑलवेज देयर, यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक टाइम. अगर आपके अंदर भूख है देन यू फाइंड आउट द टाइम. लाइक आई एम डूइंग, आई लिटरली कम 7 o'clock in the evening from college, and from 7 I just grind. I constantly focus, I constantly write, I constantly watch charts. And what I want to say is just grind on your craft, sharpen your craft, do it early, do it quick, work harder than 99% of people, live better than 99% of people, stay in the 1%, be better, and you got this. Work hard now. Just keep the image of the next 5 years in your mind, that what आप कहाँ होंगे अगर आप अभी मेहनत नहीं करेंगे. तो 5 साल बाद आप क्या सोचेंगे बैठ के एक दिन ऐसे कमरे में, मैंने मेहनत नहीं करी, मेरा टाइम निकल गया. उसके बाद फिर उसमें शुरू करेंगे. इससे बढ़िया आज शुरू कीजिए एंड मैनिफेस्ट द 5 years. एट द एंड आई वांट टू से दैट मैनिफेस्ट, you can achieve literally anything. There's nothing in this world that you cannot achieve. I literally have nothing to my name currently. I'm just working hard. I know I'm gonna be great. I literally have Lambo posters on my wall. I have Bentleys, I have Lambos, I have mansions, I have cars. I'm a parent. I have a good body, I have money, I have fund account poster, I have profitable trades poster. I I when I wake up I see the things that I want, and when I sleep I always see the things that I want and that I want to achieve. People cannot match your potential. You have to be greater than them if you want to live the life that is in your mind. So बस मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहूँगा कि प्लीज़ वर्क हार्ड, no matter how hard the situation is. Make time like I am making. Work hard, focus on your thing, risk it all, and this is life. Just thank you for watching today's video, guys. So yes, please watch the video that I currently uploaded, and yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow.